Meaning of figured bass.
Figured bass.
Figured bass.
Figured bass.
Figured bass. Figured bass is a musical notation system that originated in the Baroque period, commonly used in keyboard and bass accompaniment. It consists of numeric figures placed above or below a bass line to indicate the chords to be played above it. These figures represent the intervals between the bass note and the other notes that make up the chord, and they provide a shorthand way for performers to create harmonies on the spot. Figured bass notation allows for considerable flexibility and creativity in interpreting and realizing music, making it an essential tool for Baroque composers and performers.